Hi David, thanks for taking time out to speak with me today. Can you tell us what Project Atom is?
Yeah, sure. Project Atom actually is the internal name. So the real name is FIS, Securities Finance Matching Platform. When the clue's in the name really, it is an automated matching platform that's going to be launched into the market as a single instance, cloud native, brand new platform, which will be automating matching for both securities lending and repo in the first instance.
So why is FIS bringing this to market now?
Oh, great question. Very simply put, market demand. So we have, as you might know, more than 250 clients of our securities finance and collateral business globally. And many of them came to us and said, look, we need a new solution in this space. And over a matter of a couple of years, so I'm now talking probably 2020, we started to gather those requirements, started to build out this particular platform. And really, as we went through those discussions with the design partner group that we put together, three really important things came out. First of all, they wanted an alternative route to market because the single point of failure risk was keeping people awake. Secondly, they wanted a better value product, a solution that was more economic, better suited to today's environment. And thirdly, they wanted something that was more automated, more modern, had a much greater throughput, much less human interaction. So a more exchange-like environment.
So David, when is it coming to market?
Well, the product itself we've now completed, so the platform is ready to go to market, so to speak. That's been a 21-month development build, literally from scratch. It's a brand new platform. As I mentioned just now, it's cloud native, single instance, global solution, built from scratch, brand new technology, and we're very pleased with that. But the development itself is kind of done. What we now need to do is complete our regulatory applications. So we're going to be an MTF in the UK, an MTF in the EU, and an ATS in the States. So once they're done, then we're coming to market. And anyone who's worked with regulators knows that there is a time frame, but we can't set that. So as soon as we can.
So probably one of the easiest questions for you to answer. Who is it for?
Well, for every active market participant. And I think one of the key solutions or key aspects of this solution is a mantra that I've been delivering throughout the whole project, was keeping the barriers to entry as low as possible, both fiscal and technical, right? So really, to have an open exchange environment, you've got to have liquidity. And to get liquidity, you've got to have as many people on that platform as possible. And to get as many people on, you've got to have low barriers to entry. So, for example, smaller organizations with lower budgets or sophistication can get straight in through the web UI, and that's all they need. Other organizations who have greater budgets, more sophistication, technologically speaking, much greater volumes, they're more likely to go for the MQ or the API connectivity and use their own front ends. And of course, as FIS, the connectivity exists with our own platforms. But again, to bring as many people on board as possible, we're using standard connectivity protocols to make it as easy for all sorts of organizations, not just FIS clients, to join in.